Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a new video of hotel. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are giving 5 years to enjoy your stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is a superb. A set of reviews is now displayed on our screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen reviews like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Room category 10. Next we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. On this screen you require to present photo ID at check-in. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 10 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.